Hello everyone, in this video I will show you our new product. As you can see, this is KinCony B2 Smart Relay Controller, and in this version we have added the 4G module to the controller, and in this video I will show you this hardware details, what inside of this box and what software solution for this B2 Smart Controller. Okay, let's look at hardware firstly. So you can see this is KinCony B2 Smart Controller, and let's look at this is the size. Is support install on the DIN rail. So you can see this can install on your DIN rail, and also is standard size. And let's look at you can see this SD card, and if you buy the 4G version, so this is SIM card you can insert at this slot, and two relay. You can see two relay with normal open and normal close. Max support 10 ampere. Later I will open this box, show you the relay. And this LED indicate for 2 channel, and this is manual control button. This also can work with the relay coin directly without software, so that if the controller is broken, so you can manually control this relay on and off. And Ethernet port, USB-C for download the firmware, and a button for reset and for download. And you can see this antenna, the ESP32 antenna, and this is Tuya module, Tuya Wi-Fi antenna. So this board also will support Tuya application. And you can see the top of this lens. This also is the antenna. This is GPS antenna and GSM antenna, because if you have installed this SIM7600 4G module, that will support your GPS. So this have a GPS antenna, and this is 4G antenna at here. So this is option which band you want to buy. So we'll have a different band. And this one you can see the digital input, 2-channel digital input, and IS485. A and B, IS485, analog input, 2 channel for voltage and 2 channel for current, and free GPIO, just 4 free GPIOs for you to use, and the power supply from DC 12 to 24 volt, and this is an OLED display, and show this information about Ethernet IP address and the sensor value. Okay, let's open this aluminum shell. Okay, I will open this aluminum shell, and you can see this is a shell. If you want OEM, we can print your logo instead of KinCony logo. And let's look at what inside of this box. And OLED display and LED, and this have a top PCB board, and this insert SD card. And this have a Tuya module at the bottom of the PCB, small PCB have a Tuya module. So this have an antenna extend to this SMA socket. And this is a 4G slot. If you have used the 4G version, so you can see, just if you want to use 4G version, so we will install this 4G module at here. So you can see, just install at here, fixed at here. So this time, your B2 controller will support 4G, as you can use short message or use voice call. So you can see, just close this box, and the SIM card will insert at this place, because we have used this narrow SIM card. So you can insert at here. You can see insert at here, and then you can install this Wi-Fi antenna. And the SIM card, you just get out from your mobile phone and insert, just put it here directly without any adapt. So you can just get from your mobile phone and insert at this place and just insert. So this can use the SIM card. So this is the B2 smart controller. The most advantage is we have added the 4G option for you to use. Okay, this is hardware details, and next let's look at the software solution. Okay, back to my computer. We can look at this B2, what software solution supported by this B2 controller. And this you can see the hardware resource at here. And you can see this information all have in our form. You can see this is B2 form. And you can see the ESP32 pin define, all pin define showed at here. So you can see which GPIO have used all at here. And you can also see this ESP home YAML file without Tuya or with Tuya. So this can remote control by internet by Tuya mobile phone application, and also can work in local network because this support KCS V3 firmware. So you can see this also can use by the KCS V3. This is a very powerful firmware for KinCony controller. And how to download the firmware and how to login and how to use all functions showed at here. This is very powerful, and we have continue update the KCS V3 firmware functions. Now we'll support many different protocols, and such as you can see the TCP, UDP, and Tuya, and also will support DMX 510. And also support BACnet protocol in newest KCS V3 firmware. Okay, and also you can see this is Arduino source code. You can see all resource Arduino demo source code at here. So this is very powerful controller, and it's open source for the ESP home. And you can write your code by ESP IDF, or you can write your code by MicroPython. And also you can configure by ESP home, and also you can download the KCS V3 firmware and use MQTT auto discovery for Home Assistant. So this can integrate Home Assistant very easily. And also you can write your own Arduino source code for your IoT project. Okay, if you have any questions about this B2 controller, you can leave a message to us. Thanks for watching.